words which start with the letter V, Part 2. This is how the alphabet V looks like in uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. V for vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. V for video game. Video game. V for vinyl records. Vinyl records. V for Visa card. Visa card. V for vaporizer. Vaporizer. V for valise. Valise. V for valve. Valve. V for veil. Veil. V for veranda. Veranda. V for Venetian blinds. Venetian blinds. V for villa. Villa. And lastly, V for volleyball. Volleyball. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different words which start with the letter V. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.